Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 8th June 2024. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, your sins are absolved by having remembrance, not through trance. Trance is a game only worth a few pennies. Therefore, do not have any desire to go into trance. Question. What caution does the Father give all of you children, in order to save you from different forms of Maya? Answer. Sweet children, do not have any desire for trance. This knowledge and yoga have no connection with trance. The main thing is this study. Some go into trance and say, Mama entered me, or Baba entered me. All of those are the subtle thoughts of Maya about which you have to remain very cautious. Maya enters many children and makes them act wrongly. Therefore, do not have any desire to go into trance. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. Transfer yourself at the confluence age. Reform your character by studying and by imbibing purity. Do not have any interest in going into trance, etc. Number 2. Act for the livelihood of your body but also have some sleep, because this is not Hatha Yoga. However, you must never forget the pilgrimage of remembrance. Remain so yogyukt while preparing pure food and serving it to others that the hearts of those who eat it become pure. Blessing for today. May you be a Raj Rishi and a master of yourself and be victorious over your subtle powers. Details are: it is easy to become a conqueror of your sense organs, but it requires subtle practice to become victorious over your mind, intellect and sanskars, your subtle powers. Easily to adopt the sanskar or thought that you need at a particular time is said to be victorious over your subtle powers. It is the stage of a Raja Rishi. If you order your power of thought to concentrate right away, then for the king's orders to be obeyed instantly in that way is a sign of being a master of oneself. By practicing this you will pass the final paper. Slogan is, the blessings you receive by doing service are the greatest gifts of all. Om Shanti.